Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure Books and iCloud are active. This lets purchases and imports sync. Open Books, go to Store or Library, then import a PDF or EPUB immediately. Once done, tap the cloud icon to download a file for offline use and make sure any external PDF is copied from files into Books. You're doing two things at once: establishing sync and adding content, so purchases, sideloads, and local files all appear in one place for the following steps. Now you'll shape how you read. Create collections to separate courses, genres, or client files, which keeps your library tidy. Customize display settings, font, size, margins, and night mode to reduce eye strain and improve focus. Once done, use highlighting and note tools to mark key passages. You can tap a highlight to edit or export notes later. Make sure to test search on a long document so you know how quickly you can jump to keywords, chapter titles, or page numbers. Complete your workflow by exporting highlights and notes or sharing a page via AirDrop, mail, or saving a copy to files. Then ensure backups are active. Enable iCloud backup for Books and consider exporting critical PDFs to files as a secondary copy. If something goes wrong, troubleshooting is simple: check Wi-Fi, confirm iCloud Books is toggled on, sign out and sign back into your Apple ID, and install any iPad OS updates. That sequence resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.